Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a sleep goal in the Sleep Cycle application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the settings section, click on the sleep goal button. And then click on the create a sleep goal button. So first you have to choose the days that you want to set a new sleep goal. So for example, if you want to only set it on Monday, then just choose that day. And then you have to choose the hours for bedtime and wake up time. So for me, ideally I go to sleep around 10:30 p.m. and then wake up around 7 a.m. So I selected that. And then you can choose an alarm type if you want to, or you can set it to no alarm as well. Only this way it will only analyze your sleep. So and lastly, you can choose a bedtime reminder. So this is before your bedtime. So for example, if you set it for 15 minutes, then 15 minutes before your bedtime it will remind you to soon go to sleep. And then if you're done with everything, just click on the done button and your sleep goal is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.